Question of the day: how do I know how much money to put into my trades? Diana here says, when you trade, how much do you usually put into each trade? Is it the same amount every time, or does it vary? The answer is it varies trade by trade because every trade has a different amount of risk. Your loss amount per trade should be a static amount. It should not change. So whenever you come in, as an example, let's say your loss per trade is $100. You take your entry, you take your stop loss, and you ask yourself, well, how many shares can I take so that if I take a loss on this, I'm only going to be losing that $100 of risk? So let's say you're in a stock that has 10 cents per share of risk from your entry to your stop loss. If you want to risk $100, you have to take 1,000 shares. You have to make sure you're calculating your size properly with your entry and stop loss. Otherwise, the averages in trading cannot work out, and the probability of trading cannot work out long term. This is why it's a very common issue to have losers that outweigh your winners, because you don't take the time to calculate your size, and your sizing is just kind of erratic and all over the place. So to sum it all up, yes, it does vary trade by trade. You can't just run around trading with random size.